Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix we couldn't update the system reserved partition on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing the error we couldn't update the system reserved partition, then I will show you how to fix this issue. So what you have to do, you have to just open the command prompt, just click on this search menu, then type here cmd. Right click on this command prompt, then click on run as administrator, then click on yes. Now you have to type some of the commands. The first command is mountvol space y:/s. Just hit enter. Now you have to type y:. After that, you need to type cd space EFI /Microsoft /boot / then fonts. In last you have to type full stop, then hit enter, then type del dot enter, just press Y, then hit enter. After completion of this, you have to just restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix we couldn't update the system reserved partition on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.